We're standing in the entryway of this great studio in Chicago's Gold Coast, just steps from Michigan Avenue in the Magnificent Mile. As you can see, this unit has beautiful hardwood floors, tons of natural light from 3 separate windows, and a good amount of closet space. First, over here, we'll check out this closet in the middle of the living room. You've got a good amount of closet space, as you can see. It extends deep on both sides, so plenty of room for all of your hanging clothes in storage. Nice good space below as well. Then you've got a view of the living room. You've got room in here for a bed and TV, possibly a love seat as well. Nice good space, nice and clean with the hardwood floors, very good feel. We'll enter over here. You have an additional large walk-in closet. As you can see, it goes pretty deep behind this bedroom here, so tons of storage space. You could fit a dresser in here underneath the shelving, 2 shelving units for jeans, sweaters, and all of your storage needs. As you can see, there's a lot of room up here to stack additional storage, and down below in this huge walk-in closet. And we'll head into the bathroom. As you can see, there's a nice big window in here for natural light. You've got the updated tile tub surround, and then also the updated tile floors. You've got a nice shower and bathtub, and as you can see, this medicine cabinet does open for additional storage, as does the underneath of the sink for additional storage space. But a nice, beautiful bathroom in this studio. And we will head out over to the kitchen. The studio features a separate kitchen, which is really nice, so you can do all of your cooking in your separate room. Right here you'll have a stainless steel refrigerator, beautiful upgrades. You'll have a window right here in the kitchen. And then we'll enter over to the kitchen. As you can see, there are granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, lots of cabinet space. You do have a dishwasher and gas stove featured in this unit. All stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave, huge, beautiful cherry cabinets all along this kitchen, and more storage down underneath for all of your pots and pans and kitchen items. Beautifully renovated granite countertops. You can't find this anywhere in the Gold Coast for this price point. And we'll take you out once more to this living area so you can see the amount of space. Definitely a good sized studio in the Gold Coast, completely updated with hardwood, granite, stainless steel, and updated bathroom.